Hey, this is Tony from Tony's Cabin. Hi. Today I'm gonna hang some laundry outside. Yesterday I disinfected my washing machine. I have well water, and my clothes are starting to smell funky. So I washed it in hot water with bleach, ran a cycle, and then I ran these clothes in warm water. First time in 42 years I've ever used warm water with my laundry. True. So we're going to see if this makes a big difference. But normally, when I hang my stuff outside, my clothes are beautiful. They smell awesome. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm nothing perfect, but hey, this is what I do. All right. I usually start with small stuff. Got some towels. We're going to hook them all together. One clothespin on one end, one clothespin in the middle, and such. And let's see what I got. Okay. I got a shirt. Make sure it's not inside out, right side out. That way it's easier to fold when it's dry. It's going to dry quick today because we got a little bit of wind, as you can see. I hang these up by their waistband. Save on the clothespins. And then when it comes to jeans, I'll hang it up by their feet or their legs. That way they swing in the air, you know. And I just keep it growing. I washed everything today, whatever I had, because you can. There's one side. I get to work over here. Hopefully you can see me. I think I'm going to turn the camera a little bit just in case you can't see me. Let me turn it. Yeah. Oh, of course it's going to fall. Why won't it? Come on, fall. Yeah, that's what we want you to do. Stupid thing. I'm getting a new one soon. Hopefully. Oh, it just don't want to go, guys. See me? Over here. By the mama. Oh, stupid thing. Okay, there's got to be a flat place. You think I got it? Nope. Think I got it? Nope. Oh, come on, you stupid thing. Face heavy. Oh, come on. It can't be this hard, can it? I hate this tripod. I'm going to get a new one. I did order one because this is ridiculous. Yeah. How the heck are you going to do this? Maybe if I move it back farther, steadier back here. I don't know. Is it going to stay? Is it? Is it going to stay? I might stay. If it falls over, then I have to come back. It's probably going to fall over, but we'll see. All right. We got some handkerchiefs. I'm going to hang up with one clothespin. They'll dry quick. And some more shirts. It fell. Damn it. I knew it was going to fall. Stupid thing. Stupid, stupid thing. Oh, how are we going to do this, people? I can't even tell if you can see. What the heck? There's got to be one short freaking place that I can do it at. Why? But why? Come on. Seriously? This is ridiculous. Is it going to fall? Of course it's going to fall. Watch. Is it going to fall? Is it going to fall? Maybe not. He's going to fall when I walk away. Watch. Let's take a bet on it. How many people think it's going to fall? Don't hit it with your tail, doo-doo. Of course, I got Sammy. He is supervisor. He never, ever does any work around here. He does bark at people, so I guess that's work for a dog. Okay, keep going. Hopefully this stupid thing don't fall again. But it's a nice sunny day. It probably should take about an hour for the clothes to dry. Hey, you don't got to pay for your electricity. You don't got to pay for propane or whatever else you use. Oh, it fell. Bastards. I don't know, people. I guess this ain't going to work. All right. I tried. I really tried. I'm getting another tripod in the mail maybe tomorrow. Well, they lie, you know. You never get shit when they tell you. Probably come next week or 2 weeks from now, you know. It's the way life is. But anyway, I tried. I really tried. Like and subscribe if you try too. Okay? Just like this, subscribe. It don't hurt you to do it. I got 8 subscribers. Woo woo! All right, people. Have a great day. Tony loves you. If I knew you, I'd love you, I'm sure. You can't be a real jerk, can you? I hope not. All right, guys. Have a great day. Peace out.